गुड मर्निङ नानी हो। आज म तिमीहरूलाई 2017 हायर सेकेन्ड्रीमा आएको प्रश्न अनि उत्तर दिन लागिरहेछु र साना छोटा छोटा अरू पनि 2-4वटा यसमा म समावेश गरिदिनेछु। ओके, र मैले पढाइसकेको च्याप्टरहरूबाट यो प्रश्नहरू जुन चाहिँ एचएसमा आएको छ त्यो दिँदैछु र दया गरेर यसलाई खातामा लेख्छौ अनि याद गर्छौ। ओके, the प्रश्न छ, write in brief the origin and characteristics of different types of coral reefs with suitable diagrams. So यहाँ तिमीहरूले के पनि बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ, डायग्राम पनि बनाउन पर्ने हुन्छ। So the answer is the origin of coral reefs is highly debated. Drawing put forward the subsistence theory, which states that originally all coral reefs were flying reefs around island. Downwrapping of the Earth's crust caused the island to subside and the corals grew upwards to keep pace and the subsidence. It's then formed a barrier reef with a large lagoon between the island and the reef. When the land submerged completely, only the outer rims of the reefs could be seen, forming atolls. The glacier control theory of delay says that in the ice age, the water was too cold for growth of corals. With the return of warm climate, the water that was locked up in the ice sheets melted. So a rise in the sea level occurred, which caused the island to get submerged. On the wave platforms, corals grew upward, keeping pace with the rise in the water level. In this way, coral reef projecting above sea level and atolls were formed. A combination of drawings theory and delays theory accounts for the present characteristics of coral reef. Okay, so in general, coral reef are of three main types: flying reef, barrier reef, and atolls. Okay, there are three types of coral reef. Flying reef are coralline platforms that developed along the coastal margin. Okay, extending outwards from the mainland. They may not always be attached to the shore, but may be separated from the coast by a narrow stripe of water. This water body between the coast and the flying reefs forms a lagoon. This lagoon is called a boat canal. The outer edge of a flying reef grew rapidly as waves splashed here continuously, bringing in food for the reef. Flyings of reefs are long, narrow, and shallow. They lie just above the low water level and have a steep slope on the seaward side. The flying reefs are found along the coast of southern Florida. Okay, so some diagrams are also given here of flying reefs. The barrier reefs are parallel to the coast. They are the largest, widest, highest, and the most extensive coral reef of the world. They are separated from the coast by a much wider and deeper canals forming a lagoon. The barrier reefs are broken at several places so that the water of the lagoon has many outlets to the sea. Usually, the barrier reefs have a slope of 45 degrees. The Great Barrier Reefs of the coast of Queensland, Northeast Australia is a typical example. Okay, see here diagrams are given. You have to draw the diagram also. Okay, and a lot atolls are coral reef that are ring shaped or horseshoe shaped. An atoll encloses a shallow lagoon in the center. The encircled ring is broken at several places to allow the free flow of water. Atolls often have vegetation, palm trees on them. The Fiji atolls and the Fonafete atolls in the Alice Island of the Pacific Ocean are examples. The Lakshadweep and the Maldives have a large number of atolls. Okay, so यहाँसम्म भयो त्यसको प्रश्नको उत्तर. अब नेक्स्ट छ तिमीहरूको 2015 मै आएको डिस्टिङ्ग्विस बिट्विन द राया कोस्ट एन्ड द फ्लोयड कोस्ट. ओके, द राया एन्ड द फ्लोयड कोस्ट. Raya coasts are formed by submerging river valleys. Floyd coasts are formed of submerged, U-shaped, glaciated valley. Number 2, the depth of Raya coast increases seaward. The depth of Floyd coast decreases seaward. Raya coasts are submerged coasts that are shallower, whereas the Floyd coasts are deeper and have a steep side. As the coast has gentle slope in Raya coast, fishing ports and the harbors can develop on Raya coast. Because of inaccessibility and the steep slopes, Floyd coast have very few ports. In Raya coast, they occur both in high latitude and low latitude, whereas in the Floyd coast, they are confined to high latitudes and glaciation takes place in the high latitude. Okay, so यहाँसम्म भयो तिमीहरूको यो दुईटा प्रश्नको उत्तर र यो तिमीहरूले राम्रो हेर्छौ अनि खातामा लेखेर याद गर्छौ. ओके.